Hello everyone, please subscribe our channel for faster updates.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to turn on developer options in any Android mobile. So first you need to go to settings and search for build number in about phone. So tap on about phone and you can see software information and click on that. So you can see build number and tap 7 times on it. After tapping 7 times, you have to enter the password of your phone. And now the developer mode has been enabled. So once you came back to the settings, you can see developer options in the settings right away. So in this developer options, you can see many settings that you can use and you can make your phone so plenty and so useful. These are the settings in developer options. If you don't enable these settings cannot be able to see. Thank you. And please like, share and comment.
Thank you for watching and do subscribe, like, comment and share this video.